Coinbase stock headed to $100. My insane Coinbase price prediction. Okay guys, so here we are, an update video on Coinbase. So this has been a stock that I think we absolutely nailed. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago we had a pretty bad guess on Facebook stocks that collapsed, but we bounced back quite nicely. So I hope you guys jumped into Coinbase. Okay guys, I posted a video on Coinbase when the price was absolutely crashing. I believe I posted that video right when the stock was probably trading right around $52. And I also wrote an article, okay guys, published this article on Seeking Alpha saying Coinbase be greedy during the crypto market crash. And I posted this article. Coinbase stock was at $48, okay? This already up nearly 40%, okay? 40%, guys. So we were able to pick up a quick 20, 30, 40% gain depending on when you got in, okay? Even at one point, Coinbase stock was just $40, guys. Okay, we've able to pick up these quick gains on Coinbase basically due to the whole Terra Luna crisis, okay? The Terra Luna crisis is responsible for a lot of the crypto market crash that we recently saw. A lot of Bitcoin was liquidated in order to cover a lot of the losses with UST and Luna and things like that. So that created a short-term opportunity in some of these crypto stocks. So like I said, guys, I hope you guys profited from the information. Now I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about my price prediction, okay? It really looks that the market has flipped. Now, throughout the end of the year, I do think crypto will continue through its bear market. It is possible that Coinbase stock could crash again in the second half of the year. But right now, it looks like a lot of people are coming in and buying the dip, okay? The NASDAQ was up big on Friday. The S&P 500 was up big. Crypto rebounded. Altcoins are soaring. Even Luna's price is up, okay? A lot of people are coming in and buying the dip here. And the simple thing is that things have been completely oversold, okay? So if we take a look here at the year-to-date RSI for Coinbase, we can see that it's literally at 18, guys, okay? Usually 30 is considered the low range, and now Coinbase stock is still trading way below that. So that doesn't mean that the stock is going to literally soar all the way back up to previous levels, because the Fed is planning to raise rates several times this year, which does hurt the stock market. But there is an opportunity here to, if you guys are first time invested in Coinbase, to get some cheap shares here, but also I think to kind of average down, because, you know, me personally, I have a pretty high average cost in Coinbase, okay? Some people even bought it when it was 360. Me, I'm never selling my Coinbase shares, okay? Coinbase is my favorite cryptocurrency brokerage. I use it for most of my buys. I use it to hodl Bitcoin and things like that. I use it to invest in altcoins. So I'm not going to stop using Coinbase no matter what, okay? Obviously, unless there's a hack or something like that, or the company U-turns on some of its policies. But so far, so good. And if you guys want kind of a thorough rundown of what actually took place, guys, be sure to check out this article I wrote on Seeking Alpha. I'm going to post this link in the description, okay? What I think is just really important to understand that right now we're seeing, a lot of smart money come in and buy the dip. So this doesn't necessarily mean that Coinbase is going to rocket all the way up to 360. I don't see that happening. But I do think that $100 is possible in the near future. And that's simply because I think a lot of people are going to come in and buy the dip on crypto. Now, I do think that crypto will dip much lower heading in towards November. But that's like 6 months from now, okay? If you guys are looking to profit in the short term, you can pick up a lot of these stocks that have been shorted, a lot of these stocks that have been completely oversold. So if we take a look at the short interest for Coinbase, okay, so you can check out these numbers on Ortex, okay? So we take a look at the short interest, we can see the short interest is about 13%, okay? 13% short interest that is currently of the free float. So this is according to Ortex, okay, guys? So, obviously this short interest was up a lot. This is one of the reasons why a lot of these stocks are pumping, because people were shorting them so heavily. And then, now, they're having to buy the stock to cover their losses. So this is why I'm kind of thinking that we could simply continue, seeing a nice pump, okay? 19 million shares are currently short according to Ortex. Ortex is pretty accurate, guys. They update it pretty frequently. So this is pretty powerful, okay? So what we're going to be profiting from is we're basically profiting from this short squeeze, and we're profiting from, like I said, the unnatural dip in coin shares that was caused by the whole Terra Luna crisis. So will Luna recover and things like that, and is crypto dangerous in general? Like I said in the previous video, I really don't invest in many cryptos other than Bitcoin anyway. And when it comes to Coinbase, okay, Coinbase is one of the safest ways to play the crypto market because they're continuously growing their users. So as you can see here in the article, they've gone from Q1 2021 56 million verified users to Q1 2022 98 million. So the company is growing despite the crash in the prices. We're basically focused on that user growth. Okay, as long as Coinbase continues to grow that ecosystem, this is going to be a valuable company. So in my opinion, Coinbase is like the Facebook of crypto. And 10 years ago, where Facebook was ramping up, and there was a lot of rocky headwinds involved with Facebook. They had a lot of issues that they had to iron out. It was still, even though I don't really believe in investing in companies like Meta Platforms because, they just generate their money off their user base. They don't really have, they don't really sell anything, and they don't really have any products or anything like that. They are working on products with the metaverse, which is good, but I think Coinbase is just a much different play. Okay, Coinbase is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. It's almost has 100 million users, and crypto is still new. Okay, guys, crypto is still a new thing. Okay, I expect Coinbase to eventually eclipse 500 million users, and then pretty much, I think in the future, pretty much everyone will be involved in crypto. At least the younger generations will. And Coinbase has the opportunity to expand. Okay, they're a global company. They're not just based in North America. They're all over the world. And as things get better and 5G starts expanding everywhere, I think a lot of people have access to Coinbase wallets and stuff like that. So it's just a nice general play on the overall crypto market if you guys are too scared or too worried about actually holding crypto itself. So this is just one of the few stocks that I think you guys should jump into. If you guys made some profits, congratulations. So I'll be taking a look at this short interest moving forward, seeing how much this affects the price of Coinbase. Just remember that right now, you really will continue to probably see a pump in the price. And I'm thinking, like, in a near term, I'm thinking we're probably going to approach this previous breakdown in support, which is $114, as a lot of dip buyers are coming in. And it doesn't mean Coinbase stock is going to finish at that price by the end of the year, but I do think $100 is a possibility next week. So there is some more upside potential in Coinbase, guys. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a short-term price target of Coinbase at about $100. Right around there, we'll have to take a look at the charts and kind of see how the market responds. But we do know that a lot of smart money is buying the dip, and a lot of billionaires with big pockets are coming in. So let's see if Coinbase can retest this previous support level of around $111 to get up to about $100 or so, like that. And we'll be taking a closer look at this stock in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed my content, please smash the red subscribe button and smash the thumbs up button as well. If you guys are interested in actually checking out Coinbase, be sure to click the links in the description below. You guys can set up your free account and get $10 in free Bitcoin. So that's all I got for now, guys. Take care.